Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about HubSpot. And let's see if we can create a HubSpot demo account. Now the answer is no. HubSpot does not offer a traditional demo account like some other platforms. However, there is an alternative. HubSpot offers a developer account, which allows you to test the platform's features in a sandbox environment. This is especially useful for developers or businesses who want to explore HubSpot's advanced functionalities without committing to a full account. So let's dive into how you can create a developer account on HubSpot. To get started, go to the HubSpot developer portal at developers.hubspot.com. This is where you'll find all the tools and resources available for developers. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you'll need to sign up for one. Click on Sign Up at the top right of the page and enter your details. Either use your email or connect via Google. Once you've signed up, you'll be directed to your HubSpot account dashboard. Once logged in, head over to the Create Account section. Here, you'll select Developer Account from the available options. This type of account grants you access to a test environment where you can use HubSpot's tools and APIs to build integrations, test features, and simulate customer experiences. After selecting the Developer Account option, you'll be asked to set up your account. This will include basic setup details such as naming your test app and selecting the APIs and tools you'd like to test out. HubSpot's developer account gives you access to a 90-day trial of HubSpot's enterprise features, which you can renew as needed. Now, once your account is set up, you can start exploring HubSpot's tools in a sandbox environment. You'll have access to features like CRM tools, marketing automation, sales tracking, and more, all without affecting a live account. This is ideal for testing integrations, creating custom applications, or just getting a feel for how the platform works before using it in a production environment. So while HubSpot doesn't offer a traditional demo account, their developer account option is a great way to test the platform and see if it fits your needs. It's designed to help developers and businesses experiment with HubSpot's tools without any financial commitment.